Starting the tree system. You are now going to create a tree system. Go to the sprinkcad101.com website and download the Study 1 drawing file. Copy the file to your drawing folder and open it in sprinkcad. The drawing includes a building, some hydraulic blocks on the right, and a scale block on the lower left. Leave the blocks as they are for now and zoom in on the building. From the SprinkCAD Pro toolbar, select Building Segment Routines. When this toolbar opens, select Top of Steel Insert or Edit. With the intersection O-snap, select the junction of grid lines A and 1. You'll be prompted at the command line to specify the rotation angle. Press Enter. The Edit Attributes dialog box will appear. Enter 20 feet in the available field and press OK. The top of steel block will be inserted. SprinkCAD will use this block when determining hanger rod lengths. Inserting heads. From the Heads pull-down menu, select Bay Layout. At the command line, you'll be prompted to please select lower left corner of the bay. With the End O-snap, select the intersection of grid lines E and 1. You will then be prompted with please select lower right corner of bay if it is rotated or upper right corner. You will pick the lower right corner if the bay was angled away from the X or Y axis. In this case, the bay is vertical, so pick the intersection of A and 2 with the End O-snap. Press Enter to continue. The Bay Layout dialog box will appear. Change the max coverage to 130 and press the Apply button. The building is an ordinary Group 1 occupancy, which requires a coverage of 130 square feet. Leave the maximum distance at 15 feet and the minimum distance at 6 feet. The head and branch line spacing will be calculated and displayed in the lower left area of the dialog box. You can manually change these values if desired. The calculated coverage is displayed below the Apply button. In the branch lines area, select the orientation with the vertical or horizontal radio buttons. Check the Draw Pipes box to include pipes in the layout. In the sprinklers area, you can select the type and number for the insertion. There are 5 types of heads available in SprinkCAD, and you can have a number of each in the drawing. For example, upright 1, upright 2, etc. Leave the default at upright 1 for this project. The graphic shows a preview of the layout with the current settings. Press OK to exit the dialog box. The heads and pipes will be inserted as shown. Note how the heads line up with the bar joists. This may lead to difficulties when trying to use beam clamp hangers in the vicinity of the heads. It's better to erase this arrangement and try another layout. Press the Undo button to erase the heads and pipes. You can also select the heads and pipes with a window and press the Delete keyboard key to remove them. Start the Bay Layout command and pick E1 and A2 again. Set the maximum coverage to 130 and set the head spacing, head-to-head value, to 10 feet 4 inches and press Enter. Press OK to exit. With these settings, the heads miss the bar joists and the last heads extend beyond the bar joists to accommodate hanging. This is a much better arrangement. Start the Bay Layout command again to lay out the second bay. The first pick will be at E2, the second at A3. This time, the layout will be different, since the width of the bay is 22 feet. Enter 10 feet 4 inches in the head spacing cell and press Enter. This will space the heads on the branch lines so they are the same as the first bay. When you have these settings, press OK to exit. The heads and pipe will be inserted. Start the Bay Layout command again and lay out the third bay. The first pick will be at E3 and the second at A4. This bay is 18 feet wide. Enter 10 feet 4 inches in the head spacing cell and press Enter. This will space the heads on the branch line so they are the same as the first two bays. When you have this set up, press OK. The heads and pipe will be inserted. Start the bay layout command again and lay out the fourth bay. The first pick will be at C4 and the second at A5. This bay is 15 feet wide. Accept these settings and press OK to exit. Lay out the last bay as you did for this one. This completes the head layout. Drawing the mains. From the sprinkcad Pro toolbar, select Pipe Drawing Routines. When the toolbar appears, select Auto Draw Main Pipe. You'll be prompted at the command line, Riser Main Start, Cap Starts Main. You want to start with a cap, so enter C at the command line and press Enter. Enter Track or TRA at the command line to start tracking. Tracking is a useful tool for placing drawing objects relative to existing objects. The command line will prompt with First Tracking Point. Pick the intersection of C1 with the end O-snap. Make sure that Ortho is on and move the mouse upward from the last pick. Enter 8 feet at the command line. Move the mouse to the right and pick a point to the left of the branch line pipe. Press Enter to end tracking. Pick a point to the right of the last branch line as shown. Press Enter to end the command. A question dialog box will appear. The Auto Draw Main Pipe command will break the line pipes where the main crosses them. These will be the locations of the riser nipples. Press Yes. The cross main will be inserted complete with riser pipe symbols. Select Auto Draw Main Pipe again. You'll be prompted at the command line, Riser Main Start, Cap Starts Main. You want to start with a riser this time. Enter TRA at the command line to start tracking. The command line will prompt with First Tracking Point. Pick the intersection of E4 with the end of O-snap. Move the mouse to the left and enter 9 feet at the command line. Move the mouse upward and enter 3 feet. Press Enter to finish tracking. For the next point, pick the cross main with the perpendicular O-snap. You'll be prompted again about inserting riser nipples. This time, select No. A cap will be inserted at the new connection. Pick it with your mouse and delete it. At both ends of the cross main, the ends extend some distance beyond the branch lines. You need to change these to a standard length. Pick the short pipe and cap and delete them. From the Pipe pull-down menu, select Miscellaneous Pipe, Nipple and Cap. You'll be prompted to enter the nipple length. Press Enter to accept the 6-inch default. Pick the main close to the branch line. The nipple and cap will be inserted. Now do the same for the other end of the cross main.